Many customers come to inquire about our modern box series of handmade customized range hoods, hoping that we can provide installation guidance. Today, we have it installed in our showroom. This video includes complete installation details. I hope it helps you. To avoid possible damage caused by transportation, we use wooden packaging. Now, let's take out the range hood from the wooden box. All the accessories are included in the white foam box. According to the instruction manual, we connected the power supply before installing it on the wall and confirmed that all functions were normal. It has a 3-speed switch. You can hear the vent sound and the 2 bright LED lights. I believe it can fully satisfy the lighting of the entire cooking area. Let's get started now. In the first step, we must take off the panel to take out the insert vent. We remove the stainless steel grill and then use a screwdriver to remove the 6 screws on the panel. Note, 30-inch only has 2 screws. Next, disconnect the plugs connecting the lights on the back of the panel and remove the 2 screws which secure the mechanical button. Now we can remove the panel. When we remove the panel, you will find 6 screws. Remove them, and you can take the insert vent out of the hood. Next, we fixed the hood to the wall directly above the stove. It is recommended that the installation height of the hood is 28 to 32 inches from the cooktop. After we measure the height, we use a level to draw a horizontal line, then use the attached template to locate the top 2 screw positions and install the expansion screws. Please note that if your wall socket does not fit within the square opening in the hood back panel, please move the socket in the opening. The unit can be hardwired. Next, we can hang the hood on the wall and fix a few screws on the back panel. You can find that the hood is fixed well on the wall. Among the accessories, you can find installation instructions, spare light bulbs, charcoal filter, and adapter duct. First, we install the adapter duct on the insert housing. After installation, connect the flexible ventilation pipe. After connecting the power supply, we install the insert vent back into the range hood. First, secure the insert vent to the hood with the 6 screws you removed earlier. Then, we put the panel back. We need to reconnect the LED light wiring and tighten the 2 screws holding the button. Finally, we only need to tighten a few screws to fix the panel, and the panel is installed. In this way, our work is completed. A perfect hood has been installed. Let's take a look at the effect after installation. It matches the kitchen very well. And its functionality perfectly meets our needs, and we're happy to have it.